GoPro's kind of balancing precariously on a bush. We're in the middle of this rainstorm, so we're not really going to go into town and go probably ride in this, just because there's crazy amounts of lightning, a lot of thunder going off. You can see some sunlight in the distance, so we're going to sit through the storm cell, but may as well do a little couple fun photos. Here we go. I'm getting wet. Luckily my cameras, my XT3 and my 16 to 55 2.8 are all weather sealed lenses. The weather sealed is complete with a UV filter. Oh, this is gonna be great. Oh, rad. Rad. Hey, give me that wheelie a little later. Give it to me like right in here. Right. I'm gonna shoot a little wider. I'll pull you in up front. As you're kind of coming toward me, I'll get tight, and then I'll widen it out once you get here.
So where do you want the wheelie?
Like right here. All right, so we're gonna change this focus point. We're gonna keep it tight on him, continuous focus. People always complain that the Fuji autofocus isn't that great, but if you know how to use it, it actually does work pretty well. There we go. Little later. We'll get there. We'll get there. Hey, little later, like right here. Almost as you're passing me. Okay. Get it up, and I'm gonna shoot wide. Go. So I'm looking for 2 shots, right? I want to get him coming a little further off. It's a lot of nice water and rain. A really cool aesthetic, and I'm getting that headlight of his, which is actually putting off a really nice yellow cast. There we go, and now we're gonna pop. There it goes. Nice, super moody. Really great. One more. That was great. Let's do one more. Always for safety. If you ever have a question, you're like, is that the shot that I want? Always do another run for safety. You're in the moment, you're in position, the rider's good, they're comfortable. Do the shot again. Oh, the ambiance is amazing right now. It's so great. Let's see if I can get a little lower. I also want to get my twist as he comes in. Oh, coming over that hill. It'd be nice if I had a longer one. Bam. I want one more. So you see where those 2 like fucking black shits are right there? Yeah. Try to pop it up there. I'm gonna get a little lower and shoot up so I can get more of this. Alright? I might fall out of frame here because I'm gonna go low. I don't know how much is actually in frame. But I've gotten enough of him coming at me. I want to get this one shot. Very environmental right here. Super low. Pop! There it is. Look, if you as a photographer aren't getting dirty for your shot, you're not trying hard enough. Fucking rock! Little photography behind the scenes. That's it. It's 5 minutes, a lot of fun. Get a couple great shots and